In this video, I will show you how to track your package or track your order or items on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Whether you have been using Pinduoduo for a very long time or you are new to Pinduoduo shopping app, let me show you how. Open up your Pinduoduo app, just like so. Then for you to track your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, you want to make sure you go ahead and click on here to proceed. And it's going to take you right here. This is where your order tracking is going to take place. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So for you to track your package on Pinduoduo, go ahead and click on Shipped right here. Then it's going to take you right here. So you have all available order on transit at these sections right here. So for you to check on the tracking, simply click on the box icon right here. Click on here. Then here you go. You have your logistic tracking right here. You can click on few more right here. This allows you to see the logistics detail right here. It's that simple. From here, as at the time of making this video, this order still on transit. Once the order has reached the final destination and received, you are going to see this box here is going to be removed from here. And then here is going to be checked as a completely received. It's that simple. Then from here, you can as well get your tracking number. For you to get your tracking number, this is your tracking number right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.